What is the value of a good night's sleep? Sleep helps us to deeply recover and regenerate brain and body capacity for the day. Waking up fresh in the morning is the start of all great things. Introducing the next wearable sensation. FRENZ is the first brain band in the world that can track and stimulate your brain activity in real time with audio contents via bone conduction speakers to facilitate faster sleep, deeper focus, and more relaxation. In other words, FRENZ is the smart AI-powered EEG wearable that knows your brain state, knows what to talk to you, when to talk to you, and when not to talk to you. FRENZ precisely tracks your brain signals, eye movements, facial micro-muscle movements, and other biofeedback. Then selects clinically proven audio content to match your brain state, helping you fall asleep faster, stimulating deeper sleep, and waking you up at your preferred time frame at the most optimal time during your sleep cycle. FRENZ is comfortable and can be worn all day. The app is easy to use and voice command based. Hey FRENZ, start a focus session. Boost your focus at work. Take a quick nap during the day. Relax with stimulating music or meditate with theta-infused audio content. FRENZ gives you the key to access your unique mind space, to unleash your brain potential, to become a better you every day. FRENZ, the way to your mind space.